the class. Hello, Jide, what are you doing when it's break time? Oh, we go out and enjoy ourselves. Me and my guy, we don't speak English. So we look at ourselves and go, boy, hey, Jiro. He go say, what? I say, baga. It means breaking time, we go play. So peace come dey catch me. How I go take talk about English say I wan go peace? Na where problem dey. I come dey think. I look at Jiro. I say Jiro, give me English now. You know say you dey try pass me. Tell me what's not go talk. I wan go peace. He should come say take this English. Is peace dey catch me? I say Jiro, no. This one worse. And na only 5 naira dey my pocket. I say Jiro, peace dey catch me. Give me better English. He should come say wait. Take this one. Is me the peace? I say no, this one not correct. It was say wait. My head don't lock. I said to that. He said I just remember this English. I said to the English. He said I want to go and wee. Hey! I said see grandma wee. Oh boy, with confidence. I look class captain. Class captain. He said what? He said come here. I couldn't even answer my mind. I want to go and wee. I want to go and wee. As I say class captain, he said, come, why you causing nuisance in the class? As I hear the word nuisance, that English go off my head. I can't think. I can't look for you. Class captain, they look at me. Everybody look at me. I say, Fetch you. I can't think whether I'm wee, I mean, wawa, or wee-wa, or wawi. I can't think. The priest, they catch me seriously. Class captain say, talk to me. Why are you causing nuisance in the class? What do you want? I don't know the English I will speak. I just say, class captain,